Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your existing Alight motion project or creating a new one. This gets your timeline ready. Next, import the group photo via media files so you can place it on a layer. Make sure the canvas aspect ratio and resolution match your export needs. Once set, you avoid scaling artifacts. This step prepares everything for precise edits and ensures colors and position stay consistent as you continue editing. You now replace and align the new group photo on the timeline. Select the photo layer and tap Replace so the original timing stays intact. After replacing, use transform controls to position, scale, and rotate. Two-finger gestures let you nudge it precisely. If faces or composition need trimming, apply a rectangular or ellipse mask and feather the edges slightly so the transition looks natural. These steps keep motion. To finish, tweak color and blending so the new photo matches the scene. Adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation, or add a LUT. This prevents a jarring look. Once satisfied, preview the full timeline, then export with the correct format and bitrate to preserve quality. If anything goes wrong, like misalignment or strange artifacts, re-import the image, clear the app cache, and reapply transform keyframes. These fixes typically restore correct positioning and consistent playback without redoing the whole project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.